Listen for me in a violin.
Long and short stitch is commonly used in an embroidery technique known as thread painting. It is a series of irregular sized stitches and they don't need to be precise. You can fill in an area horizontally or vertically. Bring your thread up through the base of the line of the shape weight that you want to fill, in this case the broom handle. Bring your needle back down vertically to create a stitch. Go further along the line at about half the length of the previous stitch. Bring the needle up and bring it back down where the first stitch ended. Continue this way, varying the sizes of the stitches.
Listen.